work without payment. And the first thing I want you to write down is that the best way to find yourself is to be first selfless. And the journey of a productive life begins from selflessness, where you are in a place that you are willing and you are committed to work without pay. I'm not saying that you are in a place where you have no option but to work without pay. I'm saying that you must train your mind on the start of your journey to admit to work, to commit to work, to devote to work without pay. And this principle you will never outgrow if you are a productive person. Because even after many, many years of working, after many, many years of doing what we do, I still work without pay. Because there is something that working without pay does to your nature, that it does to your character. So if you want to make your life work, you must first begin by working without pay. You may have to do that in your uncle's house, in your auntie's house, in your friend's house, in your boss's house, in your enemy's house. I really don't care. But it's important that the culture of selflessness must form the fabrics of anything you want to become. The reason why many people derail, if you agree with me, is self. If everything that is important to you circles around you, you are bound to lose your way. As a father, as a mother, as a sister, as a child, if self is your driving force, you are bound to lose your way. And if you want to be certain to find your way, that journey begins with selflessness. So I say commit to work and bond with work. You want to wake up in the morning and you are working without anybody seeing you. You want to create your romance with work in this phase. This is where you create your real bonding. This is the fuel that will drive this vehicle for the next 20 years. Because your mind has been trained to just love work for work. Do you get it now? This phase as well is the phase that you begin to build innate treasures. And innate treasures are inherent values. They are things that will never go anywhere. If you are good at working, you will do good in medicine. You will do good in farming. You will do good in being a wife because you are good at work. And this is where to learn it. If your driving and propelling force is money for every work you do, then you lack value. So you must begin this journey by working without pay. Come on, say work without pay.